do it all for, making deals on the low, big house in the boat. Got you working 3 jobs, never broke, only grind that we know is just grinding for more. Why them niggas in the kitchen with the work, 2 strikes on the shirt, trying to get it from the dirt. Why you see me going hard on the verse, ain't no telling what I'm worth, 100 commas in the word.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome to Sinn-Take, man. I got a good workout in this evening, feel good. But instead of going home, I went to go get a haircut real quick. What y'all think, man? You know, I got the old school 80s line thrown in there too, man. You know, gotta stay fresh, man. It's a part of growing up, man. But I always been fresh, though. But real quick, though, I wanted to holler at y'all, man. While you on your journey and while you leveling up, don't be worried about the outside noise. The outside noise should be the least of your concerns. You know, when you think about all the successful people and whatever they doing, you think people wasn't talking? You think they ain't hear a bunch of outside noise, a bunch of motherfuckers who, you know what I'm saying, got something to say about everything? You should not be concerned with the outside noise. That come with the territory, especially when you out here doing something different. When you out here different on some different shit, that outside noise gonna come. That's gonna come. It's inevitable. So don't be worried about the outside noise, man. That's all I want to tell y'all. Do not worry about the outside noise. Let people talk. That's like you being concerned about the outside noise is like being a football player caring what people talking about in the stands. Alright, you a professional athlete and you giving a fuck about the conversation that's going on in the stands with the fans. You can't be concerned about what the fans and the media talking about and all of that other shit. You need to focus on what you doing. They need to focus on their job on the field. I need to focus on my job in music. I need to focus on what I'm trying to do with my YouTube thing. I need to focus on my parenting. I need to focus on, you know what I'm saying, my 9 to 5, which is my stepping stone to where I'm trying to get to. You know what I'm saying? So I can't be worried about who's saying this about that and who worried about what and who got something to say about Jason. I can't worry about that because for real, I don't give a fuck who got something to say about Jason. I don't care who got something to say about Jason Wells. I don't give a fuck. These motherfuckers don't pay you enough to give a fuck. So why would you care about that? If you in the game, you can't be concerned about what's going on. You can't be concerned about what's going on the sidelines unless you looking over there and you the QB and you got to get the play. That's all you should be concerned about. But the stands, you worried about what a bunch of looking ass motherfuckers, what they talking about. You can't worry about what they talking about. You got to do what you need to do. You can't be worried about what these motherfuckers talking about. And then, and this for some of you motherfuckers that's out there, y'all get so pissed off. Y'all talking about the haters this, the haters that, keep my name out your mouth and all that other shit that you talking. But at the same time, you going on social media posting all your business up there. Why you posting all your business if you don't want people to talk about it? Why is you posting your business all on social media if you don't want people to talk about it? So how you gonna get mad when you on there looking for attention, so you posting all your business on social media, but then when you hear about such and such talking about you and motherfuckers throwing shade, you getting mad about it? Why you getting mad about it? They wouldn't even know nothing about, they wouldn't know shit. Even when people don't know shit, they still gonna talk, but they wouldn't, you giving them something to talk about by going on social media, putting all your airing out all your dirty laundry and shit. So for y'all, man, listen, y'all need to chill on that shit too. You need to chill out on that shit too. Don't get mad if you the one that's giving people something to talk about and posting all your business up, and then you get mad at people for talking. So if you don't want people talking and knowing your business, then don't put it on social media. Don't put it on social media. But at the end of the day, you gotta let people watching, you gotta let the fans in the stands talk. You gotta let them talk. As many sports fans out here, we talk shit. I'm a sports fan. There's teams I don't like. I'm gonna talk shit about them because I don't like that team. But that's a part of being a fan. That's a part of, you know what I'm saying? That's a part of being a sports lover. It's gonna be the same with the streets and people that got something to say about you. You doing something. If you doing something, then people gonna talk. You can't be worried about that. You should feel good about that you got these motherfuckers talking, but don't be out there putting all your business on social media, then get mad that people talking. But for the other ones, for the people that's in the game, doing what they need to do, on their job, on their purpose, doing what, hey, you in the game, man. You don't need to worry about who talking, who got something to say about you, man. Let them keep talking. Let them keep spreading the word. But don't worry about nothing else, though. That is, as far as that go, man, you can't be worried about the outside noise. That's all it is. All that is outside noise. You can't be worried about that, man. Real talk. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all this evening, man. But yeah, man, stay focused.
Hustle hard, yeah, that's all day. I'ma keep putting in work, yeah, that's all day. I'm in here to do my job, yeah, that's all day. What I do ain't a facade, this is all J. Hustle hard, yeah, that's all day. I'ma keep putting in work, yeah, that's all day. I'm in here to